To combine two websites into one on Wix, you will need to merge the content and structure manually, as Wix does not have a built-in tool to combine two separate sites automatically. Here's how you can do it. Back up both sites. Before making changes, it's a good idea to back up both websites. You can do this by saving content such as images, text, and other assets. Choose the primary website. Decide which site will be the main one. This will be where you will transfer all the content and design elements from the other site. Copy content. Manually copy text, images, videos, and other elements from the secondary site. Wix allows you to copy and paste text directly, but for images and other media, download them first and upload to your primary site. Recreate the pages. Recreate the structure of the second site on the primary one by adding the pages that you need. You may have to redesign the layout if the template styles differ. Redirect all URLs. To preserve SEO rankings and avoid broken links, set up 301 redirects from the old site's URL to the corresponding pages on the new one. This can be done in Wix's SEO settings. Test the combined site. After merging, thoroughly test your website to ensure that all content, links, and functionality work properly.